Hi, my name is Joseph Alcanzado and I am 18 years old. I'm currently a senior high school student at La Mesa National High School. I come from a family of 5 and I'm the oldest among these 3 siblings. Being the oldest comes with a lot of responsibilities, some of which are not always easy to bear. Growing up, I didn't always realize how much important this role was. But as time went on, I've come to understand just how much it means. For the most part, my family was average. We had what we need to live comfortably, and while we didn't much have extra, we always managed to get by. But things changed when both of my parents get sick. Suddenly, the responsibilities I used to think were just part of being a big brother became a heavily burden that I had to carry alone. From from taking care one of house chores to making sure my younger siblings were okay, it was a lot more to handle. To be honest, I wasn't really prepared for this. No one really is when life throws unexpected challenges on your way. There were times when I wished I could just be a regular teenager without the weight of so many responsibilities on my shoulders. My teenage years, instead of being filled with carefree moments like I'd imagined, turned into a constant juggling act between school, family duties, and pressure of growing up faster. Even though it's been tough, I've learned a lot along the way. Being the oldest means that I have set an example, not just for my sibling but also for myself. It made me mature in ways I never thought I would at this age. I've learned to be responsible, to step up when needed, and to always put my family's needs before my own. In some ways, it's a challenge, but in others, it's also a privilege because it has shaped me who I am. So while my teenage life hasn't exactly been what I envisioned, I wouldn't trade the lessons I learned for anything. And though it's been difficult at times, I've come to appreciate the value of hard work, responsibility, and the importance of the family. I'm just taking it one step at a time, learning as I go, and doing my best to keep moving forward. I know that I've missed out on some things that most teenagers experience, like more free times to hang out with friends or just enjoying simple pleasures without worry. But also know that this has made me stronger and more resilient. I've had to grow up faster than I expected, but I believe it has prepared me for whatever the future holds. Thank you.